Hey, what's going on everyone? Today we're looking at the GEEKOM IT13 Max. Basically, this has the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H with soldered memory of 24 gigs DDR5 and an SSD storage of 500 gigs. Now the question is soldered memory really a deal breaker? Let's find out. In front of the GEEKOM IT13 Max, it comes with the USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A. It also comes with 3 extra USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, 3.5 headphone jack, and a power button. On the back, you get the DC-in where it powers the device, 2 HDMI 2.0s, USB 4 Type C, which can be used for DisplayPort, 2 Ethernet ports, 1 USB 2.0 Type A, and 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A. Now right now we're just gonna do a startup test. Just click the power button there. Let's see how fast it will boot up. There it is. Now we have Chrome right here. And you know how Chrome is, it gets pretty heavy, right? So let's do a few tabs right here. Just open all that up. At the same time, we're gonna play some YouTube videos. Just a little test of 4K video, right? Let's do the 16K, he says. Let's try that out. Let's go to the highest resolution there. There you go. Now while that video is playing, let's go ahead and open another tab here and let's go with Spotify. Now of course at the same time, we are editing while all this is happening in the background. At the same time, Spotify is going right now. There you go. It is still playing, okay? I just put the volume down. At the same time, that's okay. Minimize that. Now we're not gonna close this at all. We're just gonna keep adding on to this. Look how many Chrome tabs we already have right here. At the same time, we're gonna edit a video. As you can see on the side here, it does have an SD card as well, so you can use that for your camera files. Now we have our DJI connected here to the GEEKOM, as you can see on the back, and we're transferring files right now. Here, there you go. Just gonna copy that and then we're gonna put it into our video files right here. New folder, GEEKOM IT13 Max footage. Okay, let's put that in there and we hit paste. Transferring the files now. Now we did shoot in 4K 60 here, so it does take a little bit. And it says it would take about 5 minutes for that 10 gigs files there. Pretty good. Now we've added our SD card right there. Okay, our Lumix files. We're gonna go and copy and paste that. As you can see there, take 30 seconds for that one guy and 45 seconds here. As you can see, this is just a normal workflow of pretty much everyone that I know that is a content creator. They have so many things going on in the background. As you can see, this is still playing here in the background. There it is. We'll launch that at the same time as well. Now this is just gonna push the RAM really well here, 24 gigs. Is it enough for us as a content creator who's super busy doing all these things? You can do Gmail as well here. Check out some emails, right? Let's do another tab. Darktable still happening on the background at the same time. Now that we have all our files ready right here, what we can do now is bring all this DaVinci Resolve basically right here and let's see how well it does. Now we are gonna try with the camera originals right now. Let's see how well it does. If not, if that's a little bit slow, then we're gonna go to proxies, but let's test it for now. This is our first clip right here. We're gonna go edit. So what's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at the brand new GEEKOM IT13 Max. So as you could see here, it's actually able to scrub really well here. This is, by the way, a 4K video, right? So let's push it further by going into colors here. We're just gonna add in some LUTs. Go to DJI here. This is gonna push it further now. Looking at the brand new GEEKOM IT13. There it is. It has a little bit there. We're gonna add another node here. This is the one that we need here. We're just gonna hit download. There it is. Super fast as well because of the Wi-Fi 7. I'll put that right into here. There it is. Really good. Let's download this as well. Transfer that into here. There it is. All done. And then from here, let's update list and hit save. So now we have our LUTs here. Super quick. We're just gonna hit this guy right here. As you can see, it's a little bit dark, so we're just gonna hit more light right here. And I think that's pretty good, right? So let's go ahead and hit edit again. Now I did took a second there, but let's go ahead and try this out again. So what's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at the brand new GEEKOM IT13 Max. Now what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna do some cuts. In Max. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at the GEEKOM. Basically, this has the... Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're looking at the GEEKOM IT13 Max. And basically, this has... let's add in more media here. Put in some of our, basically, our intros right there. Put that on there. And then after our intro, I think what we're gonna do is the unboxing, just like that. And we're gonna show our inspector here, flip it like just like that. Before we do that, we're gonna color it. Okay, let's go back here. Let's hit Panasonic right there. Add another node. Boom. Color grading LUTs, just like that. Make it a little brighter. We're good to go. I'm gonna go back here and just take that out. But yeah, as you could see, it really does well here with how you can full workflow on my DaVinci Resolve. No complaints whatsoever. It does a little bit, takes a second. For example, if you're switching and coloring, for example, and you're switching back and you want to do playback ASAP, it would have a little bit of a maybe 1 second delay, which is not bad at all. Now right here, I'm just showing you guys that I'm transferring. This is from our NAS right here. We're transferring it into our files right here, and then we're gonna edit it using Darktable. Let's see how well it does. These are CR3 files, by the way. As you could see here, they're not JPEGs. So let's see how it does. So we have our files here. We're just gonna transfer this right here. See, it does take a little second there, which is not bad at all. Let's do color balance. It's gonna work that right there. You can really do a lot with this. I mean, we'll just play around and see how it looks. So for example, like if you want to add more shadows, midtones, no lag whatsoever, right? Which is really good. Add some highlights, global saturation right there, some shadows. Really good. Very impressed with this. And it's changing it live. It's very usable. Now these are the kind of stuff that of course will push your computer, right? I'm just playing around. Obviously I'm not gonna make it like this, but just to show you guys that I can push the colors really well here on a raw file. Now let's open up Steam here. As of right now, all our things are still working on the background. Okay, I didn't take off anything yet. We're gonna test out a few games here. We have our information up here. If you're wondering, our RAM using 16 gigs right now. We still have 24 gigs total. CPU is 19% right there, and the GPU is 99% right up there. Let's go ahead and play this game. This is Miles Morales, Spider-Man. Now, just to let you know that this system is not necessarily for gaming, but as you could see, it's able to do that. Let's look at the settings right now. There you go, 1080p monitor. Frame generation is off. As you could see right now, we're doing 30 frames per second. Let's see if we turn it on like so. It went up to 45 frames per second right there, which is really good. It's about 40 frames per second there with frame generation, which is really nice. Let's do a takedown right there. Boom. I'm even getting 60 frames per second right now, which is really good. Uh-oh. So right now we can see here that we're doing 60 frames per second on Witcher 3, which is really good here. I have no clue how to play this game, but I'll show you guys. It's supposed to be like.
What the blazes are you doing? Position, Siri. Footwork. Remember.
Now let's go ahead and play some Palworld here. This is the 1.0 update. As you could see here, we have about 40 frames per second up there. Let's just look at the graphics. What we have medium, a little bit high on some of them, but yeah, not horrible. Still medium, which is a normal graphics that you'd get when you're playing these kind of games. It is a little bit slow, as you could see. Graphics is a little choppy there for a second. Let's go ahead and take out our Palmon here. There you go. Let's go ahead and attack that guy right there. There you go. Boom. Guy just like hammered him. Boom. Level 17, a little bit higher than our Pokemon, or sorry, our Palmon. We're averaging about 30 some, 39, almost 40 there for FPS. Not horrible. Definitely usable. Nice. Let's go. Oh. Nice. Very good. There you go. Not too bad. I don't know if you guys play Palmon, but let me know in the comments. And that's really it, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new mini PC. This is the GEEKOM IT13 Max. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check it out. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions at all. And if I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!